Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy guide on how to add your Cash App card to Afterpay in 2025. Whether you're looking to split payments or manage your finances more flexibly, this step-by-step tutorial will get you set up quickly and easily. Afterpay is all about buy now pay later options, and integrating your Cash App card can make transactions smoother than ever. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Cash App and Afterpay apps installed on your phone and that your Cash App card is activated. Open up the Afterpay app and log in to your account. Once you're in, head over to the Settings or Profile section. It's usually in the bottom right corner. Look for the Payment Methods option and tap on it. This is where you'll add your new card. Next, select Add a card or Add payment method. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. Grab your Cash App card, enter the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code carefully. Don't forget to add your billing address to match what's on file with Cash App. After entering the info, hit Save or Add Card. Afterpay might ask for verification, like a small test transaction, so keep an eye on your Cash App for any notifications. If you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check that your Cash App card is linked to a valid bank account and that there are no holds on it. In 2025, Afterpay has updated its system for faster integrations, so this process should be seamless. Once added, you can use it for your next purchase. And there you have it. That's how you add your Cash App card to Afterpay. It's a game changer for managing your spending. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.